How to move contacts to other storage location on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. Then in here, tap on contacts. And in contacts, I'm going to go back to the main contacts page. And from here, we tap on the more button. And from the pop-up menu, tap on settings. Now go down and tap on move contacts to other storage location. After that, select which source your contact is from. So here I can choose on my phone, and I'm going to select some of this here, some of the contacts. I will not select them all because there's too many, so I will select some and then tap on done. If you want to select all, you can tap on the all button at the top here, then tap on done. After that, choose the new storage location. So say select where to move this context to. So in here, I will move it to my SIM. So tap on SIM, then tap on OK. And that's it. After that, tap on moved, and then tap on OK. And that's it. So that is how you can move contacts to other storage location on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.